Grove Stockport, and we're starting, it is Hazel Grove, isn't it? Yeah, it is Hazel Grove. So we're over in Hazel Grove Stockport and we're starting a new project. It's a single story extension on the back and a single story extension on the front. So, kind of looking forward to this one, because I've not been on a dig out for a while. So we've got me, Lee and Chris, and we're in our dig out. The machine's on the way. We've got some old York stone flags that we're just about to rip up. Customer is keeping them, so we're stacking them neatly. We're gonna get some pallets here and pallet them all up for him. And yeah, the machine's on the way and I'm looking to get this out. Right, so we're coming off the existing house on the left hand side there. We're coming off foot, it's about 4.3, which takes you roughly in line with this post. It's going right across the back of the house. Straight right across, and we're tubing into the side of the house here, which is basically we tie back into this old existing extension. Chris and Lee now are ripping up all this patio area, ripping out all this York stone. We're going to pallet it all up and save it, taking up all these cobbles, clean the area, and then we're going to have a flat service to start digging, basically getting the digger and start digging the footing out. I'm going to go get some plyboard now and some viscreen to sheet the drive, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting into this one. Right, so we've started ripping up all the old York stone flags there, and we just stuck them here for now till we get some pallets, which are on the way. Whoops, and they fell over then. What we're going to do now, we're going to start clearing from left to right, so we can get a lot of the old crap out now. When the boards come, we can get it straight around to the front. But when we get to this part here, the old bed where they bedded the old flags on, it's about 6 to 8 inches thicker, the concrete. So I'm going to go and pick up a breaker now so we can break this section out. The machine's just arrived as well, so I'll grade all this off in a minute. But Lee's going to start ripping all these cobbles out while I shoot off for a breaker, and then we should be good to start digging this out by the time I come back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So basically we started the dig and we've hit bedrock straight away, which is a really good sign. It's sand and a little bit of stoning, perfect condition for basically building off. Lee's just finishing off a little bit of a dig here to get it to 1 metre depth, and then we're trying to just get down to the bottom of the existing footing just so we can undermine it a little bit. So when we concrete it, it goes underneath that footing. We've also got a drain here, which I nearly caught with a bucket, which is Lee's just going to expose, so I'm not going to catch it. But yeah, we're just going to get this bit of dig here squared up to the right height, and then we're going to start getting the rest out. We're actually cooking with gas today. Basically, we're coming along the back of the house now. We're about another hour and we'll be at the end. We've already had a grab just come pick up one load. We've got another load ready for the grab man, so we're going to have to book him in. He'll be due in the next couple of hours. And we're going to put the building inspector concrete in for early next week. that is it now. We are finished on this footing. The lads have dug it all out. They've ripped up all the old flags, the old 6 inches of bed which was underneath the flags, and they've levelled everything off, so it's a nice working site ready for the brick. Well, we're not ready for the bricklayers yet, but we've got concrete booked in for the end of the week. Building inspectors booked in for the end of the week, and we have now. Then we're going to get an order of bricks and blocks and everything we need to get the brickwork up to DPC and just crack on. So I'm literally going to spin the camera around and show you what's going on. So as you can see now, all nice and clean. Everything's ripped out, perfect surface to work on. All the footing's nice and level, dragged through by Ryan and Lee. And yeah, this job now is ready to concrete. All we're going to do now is get some steel rods, peg it all out, and then that'll be the top of that'll be a dating point for our concrete so we know it's all level. So now we're going to have a good tidy up of the front and we're getting off over to the next job. That's perfect, mate. Yo, so we're over on the footing now on the barn. Concrete's turned up. Had a right nightmare this morning. The inspector turned up and we had to cut 2 trees down because he was so close to the footing. That saved us digging the one side of the footing 2 metres deep. But literally we've just took over this footing so we didn't even know. We just come into like a bit of a barnstorm this morning. But we sorted out with the inspector. So we passed the footings. Now we're ready to concrete. Concrete is just loading up. Ryan's pinning out and we're away to go. So that was us done. We concreted the footing. We had everything against us this morning. Pulled up this morning, building inspector was here. He should have been here yesterday, complaining about 2 trees. So agreed with him that I'll chop the trees down, which they were only little trees anyway. So, but I chopped the trees down straight away. Then he was happy. So we're now concreting. We've concreted the footing. Well, saying that, then concrete wasn't booked until 10. They turned up at 8:15. We had to pin it out. We had to dig a metre section for a post to where a post is going. So we had everything against us this morning, but we've got it all concreted, nice and neat. It's terrain's troweling all up now, bang on level. I've had to put a little step in it just because it was about a 1/4 metre short. So about 2 metres, we've got like a 100mm step, which we'll get out in the brickwork. I'm going to throw the camera around now and show you what we've done. So as you can see here, Ryan's troweling up the footing now. This section here was where we had to put a step in it. But yeah, it is all flat, all level, troweled up nice and neat for the brickies. Perfect. Nearly got that machine stuck, by the way. Nearly fell into the footing with it digging out a pad. But yeah, this one's done and we are heading over now to another job around the corner, which the building inspector just passed that one straight after here, and we are going to be concreting that one, so I'll see you over there. So we've arrived over on our second concreting job. Whoops, nearly fell over that. Second concreting job of this morning, and we are now just pinned in, marked out our dating points for the level of the concreting. We've shuttered around the drain. I'm just literally making sure, just jumping over the trench there to make sure this door's shut. We've shuttered around the drain and concrete has just arrived, so we've got about 10 minutes of prep now and we'll be ready to start pouring this footing. flat like that.
Yeah.
So, the lads are cleaning up the front, jet washing everything down now. Concreters are now finished, they're off. We have completed the footing. This is our second footing, big footing today, so we've had two full wagon fulls of concrete. All our concretes are bang on to dating points. We also tamp through with a level. We also trowel all our footings up at the end of each slab we do. But yeah, brickwork, the brick materials are ordered for the bricklayers tomorrow or Friday. Sorry, tomorrow or the next day. Hold on, my phone's ringing. So the bricklayers are booked in. This job's now ready for them to crack on. But what I'm going to say, I'm going to throw the camera around and show you how we have got on. So as you can see, all our concrete, we've shuttered over the drain, and that's why our timber is there. All our concrete's brought through on to a level datum. We bring it all the way across. We'll come down, bang on level, all troweled up nice and finished like a piece of glass. And this footing's clean. We had a good tidy up of this area so it's nice and flat now, a good working area for the brickies. And so what we'll also do tomorrow, or the next day when the brickies start, we'll put a load of boards on the grass so it's just a hard surface to work off. But this job is now complete. Good morning. So basically I'm pleased to announce we have now literally purchased a new company. So this company is a small hire shop that is in the Sale Town Centre, and basically it's a company we've used for many years and many of the builders in the area use, and we recently have purchased it off the owner. He's retired and sold up. He was a good friend of mine, Tony. So basically the stuff that we'll be hiring from the shop is small plants. So you've got micro diggers, you've got micro diggers, sit down, micro diggers, 1.5 ton diggers. You've got sit down dumpers. You've got stand up dumpers. We also do tower scaffolding, acros, genies, planks, trestles. We also do rotavators for gardeners, lawn mowers. We have everything there. Still saws, whacker plates. So we've got everything for what everybody needs. So literally, I'm heading over there now. I'm meeting a few friends there first, just to show them, and then I'm going to start doing a bit of video footage and showing you guys around of what we recently purchased. So this is massive for us. So we've gone from the building side of things to actually, it's gone into more like the retail, aren't we? Really, supply, hiring our own equipment out. So I'm quite excited, and I'll show you around when we get there. I've been waiting to say this for a long time. I'm in the yard. I'm not in any yard, I'm in my yard. So we're over now at Higher Point, my new purchase business, and basically it's a Sunday morning and I'm out just basically having a nosy, like you do, just new business, no lads are here, just want to go around, see what I've got in stock, see where I can improve the yard, make it more efficient. Basically, I want to see what's going in, what's coming out, what the most of, like, diggers is the main priority that we've got going out here. I want to know by the end of the month if we need to get more diggers or start looking at more diggers, because apparently they were last week they were all out and we could have done more. But as you can see, some have come back because it was come back on Friday. As you can see, we got 5 micros there behind me. We've also got 3.5 tons there. We've got plenty of like acros, mixers, planks. We've got tower scaffolding. See there's acros. We've got a digger here. That's the exhaust is just being repaired on it. Somebody that hired it broke it. We've also got, as you can see now, I'm going to show you there. Right, we've got 2 micro dumpers out of 6 that are in stock. We've also got the yard on the other side, which is quite a big yard. It goes right around the corner there. But yeah, so now over the next month, I need to know what's going in, what's going out, and I need to make this yard grow. Basically, I want to make this business grow. I want to outgrow the yard. I need to sort out putting a social media footprint on it. It's just started an Instagram page. We're looking at a new website. So yeah, I need to really push this business.